Hi, I'm Charlie, the product manager of railway switches from ICG Industrial Switch. Nice to have this opportunity to present you the slim size EN50155 switches that save spaces for urban rail. To deploy AKI 9508 and 9510 series in every corner. The first topic that I would like to share you is the urban rail development trend versus EN5155 switches. Here are two main types of urban rail. One is mass rapid transit, we call MRT, and light rail transit, we call LRT. Next will be the types of the car. There are metro and monorail for MRT system and tram for LRT system. The commonality of MRT and LRT is that most of the vehicle space is designed for passengers, but little space is saved for equipment. Here I refer to the report of application trends in urban rail from China Prospective Industry Research Institute. The development trend of urban rail. First of all, the growing scale. Since almost the developed and developing countries already built railway system running across main cities. The next step is to expand their transport system coverage from urban city center to the whole suburban area. Second, it is about the bigger network, or we can call it Internet of Things. Due to the evolution, more and more devices change from analog to digital design and become IP devices. In this case, administrators can easily monitor, control, manage, and operate in a more efficient way. Third, it is the standard diversification with more and more products, systems, solutions. Users have to figure out how to manage everything in diversity without chaos. Fourth, it is about intelligent equipment. Technology is everywhere. Human technology, the slogan from Nokia, and artificial intelligence, we call AI, are also everywhere. And next, I want to share with you the trend of IP surveillance in urban rail market. From 2015 to 2018, onboard IP surveillance is growing fast, and IP surveillance system will be an essential default system in urban rail. And one more interesting thing is the analytic, such as rail track access detection and overcrowding detection. The growth is staggering. So we can tell there is a trend from this picture. The more artificial intelligence, the more technologies involved, and thus more network requirements pop up everywhere. So how about the train built years ago? They should be retrofitted or upgraded very soon. There are two business models for train network. The first one is for the new car, embedding the equipment in new car. And the second one is to refurbish, retrofit, or upgrade the equipment in the old car. And there are more and more Ethernet demands in the car, such as blind eyes systems, PA broadcast systems, CCTV systems, passenger information system, we call PIS, or Wi-Fi system, entertainment system, environment, emergency, and also the train control management system. Okay, here's the application note. For those systems, an Ethernet backbone infrastructure should consider more of bandwidth, security, PoE function, redundant function, etc. With the different demands such as like IPC NVR system or control panel or like router, and then maybe we have video management system such as IP surveillance or blind eyes, and then emergency system such as speakers, SOS bell, door sensing, and also chassis system. They have propulsion sensor, battery sensor, brake sensor, or temperature sensor. And PIS system, we have LED display, information board, and Wi-Fi services. We have passenger Wi-Fi, maintenance Wi-Fi, train to ground communication, and wireless backbone. And for the entertainment system, we can provide multimedia, advertisement. And for environment sensor, maybe we have temperature, or humidity, and smoke sensor. And the systems could be connected with a stable and high availability network. And then we have to think about the pain point of onboard equipment. What will be the trend of urban rail network equipment? The answer is IP device. We have to know that deploying IP devices requires higher port density, which results in lots of cables. And how to manage these cables becomes a problem, and how to manage those large network equipment will also be a very big issue. And what's more, other than management, the cables also need such space for the installation. So yeah, we can see we need more spaces to install all of the equipment. Okay, and then the next topic I would like to share you is our AK9508 series and AK9510 series. First of all, let's have a glance at the design EN50155 switches. We need a very strong housing, of course, and the robust connectors, and a very high performance processor, and then efficient heat dissipation, and a high quality design and production by Advantech. Vibration and EMC resistance is also a very common criteria. And of course, we need to certified by EN50155. Then let's take a look at the options for these two series. Here's our specification options. The first one, we have the different software features for managed type or unmanaged type. The second one, we have different link speed option with fast Ethernet and Giga Ethernet uplink, and the other type is full Giga Ethernet. The third one, power over Ethernet. We have PoE switch or non-PoE switch. And the fourth one is the power supply range. We have two kinds. One is high voltage input range, and another one is low voltage input. And here shows the dimension for EN50155. It's a thin type design, and the width is only 122 millimeters. It's best for inserting in a small slit. And then we can see there is the dimension for EN9510 series. It's a flat design, and the depth is only 57 millimeters, and it's best for inserting in crowd spaces. The EN9508 and 9510 series feature in the variety of choices that fulfill different demands. The advantage, we can provide high performance and quality devices and a reliable network system, and the redundant power or redundant connection, and also we have a completed portfolio and provide thin or flat outline design. And then our benefit is to we can provide a robust connector to ensure tight and robust connectivities. And for the redundant function, to keep the system operating within fault tolerances, and the multiple option to meet different requirements, and easy to deploy or replace others. We have no space limitation. And so EN9508 and EN9510 series is best for safe spaces, and best for upgrade or retrofit for rolling stock network system. Advantech train switches has been successfully deployed in these countries during the past 4 years, such as Boston in US, Lyon in France, Edinburgh in UK, and such as Netherlands, China, Japan, and Australia. Our EN9508 and EN9510 series were just released a few months ago. I'm very glad to share with you the good news that the popularity of Advantech EN50155 switch just won a few projects. 2 months ago, we won a project located in Istanbul. It's a tram project, and they bought our 9508 series for around 200 pieces. And the second one we just won on September is located in Berlin. It's a Berlin underground project, and they bought EN9510 series, more than 300 pieces. And also we have some ongoing project for EN9508 and 9510 series in Japan and Europe. And with rugged and user-oriented designs, we are confident in all this. And as I mentioned previously, we provide multiple SKUs for EN50155 switches. Here shows the portfolio of AK9508 and AK9510. And we have, as I said, we have managed type or PoE and different voltage input. And here's the portfolio of AK9510 series. In my last pages, I would like to have a quick introduction of EN50155 2017. As you know, the EN50155 certification is the standard of all electric equipment in railway applications, such as for control, for regulation, for protection. And the difference between EN50155 2007 and 2017. There are some difference for European forward, introduction, scope, or something. Actually, it's the most different thing is for the introduction and the scope and article. And of course, there are also various of the testing criteria and requirements being redefined. The previous version, EN50155 2007, will be expired by October 13th, 2020. Though the latest version, EN50155 2017, was just published on April 13th in this year, 2018. And there are still customers asking for the latest version, EN50155 2017, because their project lasts until maybe 2020 or even later than exceeds the due date of 2007 version. And our AK9508 and 9510 series are EN50155 2017 certified. The official certification covers almost all AK9508 and 9510 series, and the remaining documents will be released in the coming 2 months. So we can say that AK9508 and 9510 series are ready for the railway market. Okay, it brings me to the end of my presentation today. Please feel free to let us know your questions or contact us at icg.support later on. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.